Okay. This is a live removal by Bee Green Natural Bee Removal. We're gonna do a live bee swarm removal. We're doing a live removal of a bee swarm on a small tree. With our technician Caesar on the Bee Green vacuum right here. This is another Bee Green Natural Bee Removal, live removal. So this is how we perform when we do a live removal of a swarm. Trying to be as gentle as possible with them. You can see how little by little the cluster of bees getting smaller and smaller. They're all going inside of our Bee Green vacuum. So there's no actual honey here. There's no honeycomb. It's just a bee swarm that just arrived today, earlier today. And they're attached on that branch, as you can see. We're just grabbing them little by little, gentle with them. These bees we're gonna transfer to to our friends, to our beekeepers. Bee Green Natural Bee Removal has about 5 beekeepers that take care of the bees and provide a home for them, provide food and water. And then we have orchards and farms that we also take the bees to. So this swarm right here is being saved. We're doing a live removal, and most likely we're gonna take it to a beekeeper to make sure that he starts building up a hive, and this way we can transfer to orchards. Again, this is a live bee removal by Bee Green Natural Bee Removal. We are performing a live removal on a bee swarm that's attached to a branch on the small tree. Let me see if I can get a different angle here. Here's a small tree. There's our technician. So what we're gonna do after we're done grabbing all the bees, we're gonna let them recluster again, the ones that are swarming around, and then we're gonna grab those, and we're gonna have to treat that area to kill the smell of the pheromones, and we should be pretty good with it, and transfer these bees to beekeepers and provide them a home and water and food. Bee Green Natural Bee Removal. If you like our service, you can call us at toll-free number 877-675-6102. You can contact us at info@beegreenremoval.com, or just visit our website at www.beegreenremoval.com.